is psych. Is that still a word? Can I say that? Psych. Yeah. Psych. What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And yeah, if you saw the thumbnail, if you saw the title of the video, Birdman hand rub, we are winning the green monster right now. I have my max bid in, and I know you guys are going to say, oh, well, TK, but the car's dead, da, 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 da. Like I said, I have what I'm willing to bid for the car in right now. I am actively bidding on the car. You guys are able to see that. Actually, let's throw it up right here. What, you bums, you trolls didn't think I was going to bid on it anyway? Yeah, I'm still going to win it. How about them apples? Huh? So there you guys have it. So we're actively bidding on the car. I'm going to do my best to win it. The car wasn't supposed to come up until like February, and I knew something was off on that. And I'm gonna be honest with you, that's some scumbag shit. And I don't know if it was being done by USAA, but it probably was. They really don't want me bidding on the car. I have no doubt in my mind, but you can want in one hand and shit in the other and figure out what fills up first. Now I know you guys are gonna say, TK, they didn't put your truck on approval, but they did put your car on approval. So if you win it for like $6 grand or $8 grand, are they going to approve it? I don't care if they approve it or not. They may not approve it. They may try to counter bid me, and I'm going to be like, nope. And I'm going to tell you why. Because the condition that the car is in now, that's not my fault. The condition that the car is in now, it just is what it is. Okay. I made an offer directly to the insurance company to buy the vehicle back, to keep it. And they came up with some, oh, we can't sell it to you. Okay, cool, no problem. I'm gonna get it at auction. And now I'm gonna get it for penny. Oh, I'm sorry. Petty Roosevelt was trying to get in my ear to pass out some EADs. But no. I'm just, look, I'm bidding on the car. I'm gonna actively try to win it. The reason why I'm gonna actively try to win it is because I'm gonna make this my track car. Yes, it has a salvage title. Yes, I can put it on the road. Am I going to fix it? Am I going to put the interior back in it? No. Am I going to fix the body? No. I'm going to wrap it. I would put a wrap on it. I know you guys are going to say, well, what about the motor and this, that, and the other? Just wait till just wait till the 20th of December. Just wait till the 20th of December. I got something for y'all. So there you have it. Quick update video. I just wanted to let you guys know what was going on with the car and that we are actively winning it right now. You guys have been hounding. We want it back, TK. We want it back on the channel. We want it back on the channel. Get it back on the channel. Excuse me. We're getting it back on the channel. I'm actively bidding on it. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. The emotional attachment I have to the car is still there, but I'm also going to tell you why I'm bidding on it. Not because I really wanted it. Here's the thing. Somebody hit me up and they want to buy the car. They're not from here. They're from Canada, and I don't know how I would get that situated because I think the border is hard closed right now. But they made me an offer I couldn't refuse for that car. And if I can win it for what I think I can win it for, and I can sell it for this other number, I'm going to do that. Now, I'm doing it because this person wants to be able to do what I would do with it here, like use it as a track car, put a roll cage. They're going to put a roll cage kit in it, all kinds of other stuff. And they would they wanted to put my TK's Garage and stuff on the car and run it as kind of like a sponsor thing. But I'd also, like, if I can win it for what I think I can win it for, I'd also make like $6 to $8 grand on the deal. Now you're going to say, well, what's up with that? And then you guys are going to be like, well, TK, didn't you just post a video about Stellantis or the letter? Or you know what? You guys might see this before I even publish that video. I ordered something from Mopar. Come on, man. As soon as I got that news about what was going on with the Monster, I was like, man, I ordered something. And you guys will get to see that very, very, very soon. Some of you guys in my community that's in my circle, you already know what it is, because we were doing a live stream and you guys watched me do it. But yeah, I missed the Challenger so much. I know you guys are gonna say, well, TK, you bought that Charger. Yep, we're gonna rebuild that Charger. I got so much crap in North Carolina to finish rebuilding. I gotta finish the Nissan, we gotta finish the Aspen. Now I got a Charger. Now I got an RT I gotta put together. And I'm gonna do something crazy with that. We're gonna wide body kit that thing. I'm gonna put the snorkels on the front, the whole nine. I'm gonna have that thing looking sick. And that might be my new daily driver for North Carolina. Like I'm not even gonna paint it. I'm just gonna wrap it. I might just drive that when I'm out in North Carolina with the 5.7, with the Aspen. You know what I'm saying? So what does that mean for the Green Monster? Well, there may be a Green Monster 2.0. You guys are gonna have to wait and find out. Find out if I got a VIN number. Anywho's, that's gonna do it for me. Quick update video. You guys asked me about it. I am bidding on it. I'm gonna actively try to win it. So for those of you that are troll bidding, you could win it. You could try to bid me up. And you could also get stuck with it. And I know you're not gonna want the car, and then that means you gotta eat a dick and pay that $600 to Copart. So play with me if you want to. Bid me up if you want to. Hold this L. Because I'm at a point now where if I win the car, I'm gonna sell it. Yeah, I'm gonna sell it. So if I win the car, I'm gonna sell it. If I don't win the car, I don't give a fuck. So, little news nugget for you. Plus, I'm bidding on some other cars, and I got other moves I got to make. And somebody made me a deal on a Mopar in Kansas that I cannot refuse. And this is like exotic / classic / oof. And it's my style. It's a Challenger. Ugh. There you have it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Bonus video for you guys this morning. You know, I try to give you guys just the news and updates and things that's going on with me or other maybe car news and stuff in the mornings. And then we publish our regular videos, whether it's rebuilds or walkarounds and stuff at nighttime. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Stay tuned. We will be in the auction live on December 20th when the Green Monster comes up. And we will be bidding on it. So stay tuned.
Perfect.